All right, hi guys. We're gonna do another handwriting video, and today we are focused on C and D. So we're gonna start with capital C. Just like last time, I'm gonna remind you that when I talk about the lines, the bottom line I'm gonna talk about as the ground, the middle line as the mountains, the top line is the sky, and below is underground. And remember, if you don't have special handwriting paper like this, that's fine. You can use a paper like this and just consider the third line down, the ground, the mountain, and the sky. All right, so for capital C, we're going to start just below the sky, curve up to the sky, around down to the ground, and back up a little. Capital C. So I'm going to do my own. When you do this, I would like you to trace the ones that are traceable and then do at least 3 more. So if you're at home, try a couple practice and then do 3 more. So curve up to the sky, back down to the ground, and curve up for the capital C. Lowercase c looks a lot like it. We're just starting below the mountains, curving up and down to the ground. So make sure you practice those very nice C's, curve up to the mountain, down to the ground. When you come down here, you're going to practice a capital and a lowercase. If you need to, give yourself a finger space, and capital and lowercase. You'll do that 3 more times. This last line is a little bit hard to see, but this is a review line. So I have capital A, capital B, capital C, and then lowercase a, lowercase b, lowercase c. And you'll practice it again. You can leave a finger space. A, B, C, A, B, C. If you have a paper like mine, you might run out of space. There might not be enough space to do it 3 times, but just do it as many times as you can fit. Then we're going to look at capital D. With the capital D, we start up at the sky and do a straight line down and come back up to the sky and curve forward. So sky to the ground and then curve to the ground. I'll show you one more without me tracing it. Make those nice and readable. Now, here's a D. It's a little bit different than our bat and ball B. Remember, with bat and ball, we start with the line, but with D, we need to think, oh, what letter comes before D? It's a C, so we start like a C and then trace up to the sky and trace back down. So it's like C, but then we change it into a D with that long line. There we go. The next one, you're going to practice a capital and a lowercase 3 times. See how I've got my finger space there? And then we practice all 4 letters, capital and lowercase. So we've got A, B, C. Notice how all of these, here's D, start up at the sky, but the lowercase a lot of times start down here by the mountain. We have A, B starts way up at the sky, C starts by the mountains, and D starts by the mountains. Notice how all 3 of these, A, C, and D, start in the exact same place. So I'll do that one more time. Capital A, capital B, capital C, and capital D. And remember, A starts like a C and line down. B starts at the sky, C by the mountain, and D starts by the mountain. Good job, guys. Hopefully you get some good practice in and you have nice, neat handwriting.